Hello everyone, I am Prabjit Kaur and today we will do operations on integers. Okay, what we will do? Operations on integers. First is addition of integers. Addition of integers with the same sign. Okay, if both the integers are positive, then what we do? See, the sum of two positive integers is the sum of their absolute values with a positive sign. I explain you with an example. Suppose we have to add plus 5 and plus 4. See, both these integers are positive, so we will add their absolute values. Their absolute values are 5 and 4. We will add their absolute values and sign will be positive. Sign will be positive, so it will be plus 9. Okay, if both the integers are positive, then the sum will be the sum of their absolute values with a positive sign. But if both the integers are negative, then the sum of two negative integers is the sum of their absolute values with a negative sign. Okay, what we do? We add up their absolute values, but sign will be negative if both the integers are having negative signs. I explain you with an example. Suppose we have to add minus 3 and minus 4. Then what we do? We add their absolute values. We will add 3 and 4 and sign will be negative. Okay, because both the integers have negative sign, so we add up their absolute values and sign will be negative, so it will be minus 7. Fine. If both the integers have positive sign, then we add their absolute values, but sign will be positive. But if both the integers have negative sign, then we add their absolute values, but sign will be negative. Okay. Next comes addition of integers with opposite signs. See, the sum of two integers with opposite signs is the difference of their absolute values with the sign of integer of greater absolute value. I explain you with an example. Suppose we have to add 3 and minus 2. Okay, now you can see that both the integers have opposite signs. Okay, then what we do? If the integers have opposite signs, then we subtract their absolute values. हम क्या करते हैं? इनकी absolute values को subtract कर देते हैं. Okay, with the sign of integer of greater absolute value. अब इनमें से किस integer की absolute value greater है? 3 is greater than 2 and 3 has which sign? Plus sign. So your answer will be in plus. So it will be plus 1. Like this you will add. I explain you one more example. Suppose we have to add minus 275. Okay, we have to add minus 275. Then what we will do? Both the integers have opposite signs, so we have to subtract in this case. हम क्या करेंगे? इन दोनों को subtract कर देंगे और जो आपका आंसर आएगा उसका साइन कौन सा होगा? साइन उस इंटीजर का होगा जो बड़ा है. इसमें से 200 और 75 में से एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू किसकी ग्रेटर है? इस इंटीजर की. एंड दिस इंटीजर हैज़ विच साइन? नेगेटिव साइन. सो योर आंसर विल बी इन नेगेटिव. सो इट विल बी minus 125. Okay, so like this we add the integers with opposite signs. Next comes subtraction of integers. How we subtract the integers? See, in subtraction, what we do? We change the sign of the integer which is to be subtracted and then add to the first integer. I explain you with an example. Suppose we have to subtract 6 from 10. Okay, we have to subtract 6 from 10. Fine. So what we will do? We change the sign of the integer which is to be subtracted. हमें क्या करना है? जिस इंटीजर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है उसका साइन चेंज कर देते हैं. हमारा क्या था? हमें 10 में से 6 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना था, तो हम क्या करेंगे? इसको बना देंगे -6 और इसे करेंगे अब हम ऐड. ओके, वी चेंज द साइन ऑफ इंटीजर विच इज़ टू बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड एंड देन ऐड टू द फर्स्ट इंटीजर, फिर हम क्या करेंगे, इसे फर्स्ट इंटीजर में ऐड करेंगे। अब देखो, अब दोनों इंटीजर्स को हमें ऐड करना है एंड बोथ द इंटीजर्स हैव which sign? Have opposite sign. So if the integers have opposite sign, then what we do, we subtract the integers and sign will be of the integer of greater value, greater absolute value. So we will subtract 10 and 6, it will be 4, and here 10 is greater than 6 and 10 is positive, so your sign will be, your answer will be plus 4. Okay, I explain you one more example. Suppose we have to subtract -6 from -14. हमें -6 subtract करना है, किस में से? -14 में से. So it's -14 minus -6. So what we do? We change the sign of integer that is to be subtracted. Here is minus, so this will become +6 and we add the integers. Okay, now -14 and +6, both the integers have opposite signs. In this case we will subtract the integers. It will be 14 minus 6 is 8 and sign will be of the integer whose absolute value is greater. 14 is greater than 6, so your answer will be negative. Okay, sign will be minus. So this way you will subtract the integers. Next comes multiplication of integers. First is multiplication of integers with the same sign. If both the integers have same sign, then how we multiply? When two integers have the same sign, their product is the product of their absolute values with a positive sign. Okay, I explain you with an example. Suppose we are having two integers +4 and +6. Okay, then how we multiply these two integers? The product will be the product of their absolute values with positive sign. Okay, so it will be +24. Clear? And if both the integers have negative sign, suppose I am taking -3 and -5 and I have to multiply these two integers, and how we multiply? We multiply their absolute values. Okay, and sign will be positive always. If both the integers have same sign, it can be either positive or negative. Then what we do, we find the product of their absolute values and sign will always be positive, so it will be +15. Okay, next comes multiplication of integers with opposite signs. If the signs of integers are opposite, then how we multiply? See, the product of two integers with opposite sign is the product of their absolute values with a negative sign. Okay, what is the product of two integers whose signs are opposite? The product is the product of their absolute values and sign will be negative. I explain you with an example. Suppose we have to multiply +8 and -7. Okay, we have to multiply +8 and -7. Then what will be the product? The product will be the product of their absolute values. We will multiply 8 and 7 and sign will be negative. Okay, so it will be -8 7s are 56. So your product will be -56. If both the integers have opposite sign, then product will be the product of their absolute values with a negative sign. But if both the integers have same sign, it can be either positive or negative, then product will be product of their absolute value with positive sign. So this is multiplication of integers. Next comes division of integers. How we divide the integers? First is division of integers with the same sign. See, division of two integers with the same sign is same as the division of the absolute value with a positive sign. Okay, this is totally same as division of their absolute value, but the sign will be positive if both the integers have same sign. It can be either positive or negative. And if both the integers have same sign, the quotient will be positive. I explain you with an example. Suppose we have to divide +12 and +4. See, both the integers have same sign. Both the integers have plus sign. So what we will do? We will divide their absolute values and sign will be positive. So 12 divided by 4 is 3 and sign is positive. And if we have to divide minus 18 and minus 9, so what will be the quotient? See, we will divide their absolute values. We will divide 18 by 9 and sign will be positive. So it will be plus 2. Okay, 9 2s are 18. So what will be the quotient? Quotient will be plus 2. So division of two integers with the same sign, it can be either positive or negative, is same as the division of their absolute value. Here I have divided their absolute values and sign will be always positive. Clear? Next comes division of integers with the opposite signs. See, if both the integers have different signs, then the quotient will be negative. I explain you with an example how we divide the integers having different signs, having opposite signs. See, suppose I have to divide plus 12 by minus 4. Okay, suppose I have to divide plus 12 by minus 4. See, both the integers have opposite sign. This integer has plus sign and this integer has minus sign. So what we will do, we will divide their absolute values. Okay, and the absolute values are 12 and 4. So we will divide their absolute values, but sign will be negative. Okay, sign will be negative. So it will be minus 3. Let's take one more example. Suppose we have to divide minus 10 by plus 2. So what we will do, we will divide their absolute values. We will divide 10 by 2, but the sign will be negative. So it will be 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So it will be minus 5. Okay. So if both the integers have opposite signs, then what we do, we divide their absolute values, but sign will always be negative. So this is division of integers.